The story of mobile phones, talking anywhere. Mobile phones have a cool history. Let's see how they've changed. Start of phones. A long time ago, people made big phones. They were like bricks. They were mainly for talking while you were out. Smaller phones. Later phones got smaller. They still looked funny, but they were easier to carry. Texting fun. Then came texting. Instead of just talking, you could send messages to friends. Smartphones. Next, smartphones arrived. They're like mini computers. You can take pictures, play games, and do lots more. Apps everywhere. Now, smartphones are everywhere. They have apps for everything you can think of. What's next? Who knows what's coming next? Maybe phones will be even smaller and do even more fun stuff. Mobile phones have changed a lot, but they're still awesome.